Hello, lovely students. Welcome to English for Beginners.
I have a very special lesson for you today. That's going to help you practice your speaking and listening skills in English through many different activities. Some of them might include new vocabulary for you.
Don't worry, I'll provide a full list with illustrations at the end of the video.
Okay, let's practice together now. For class details.
Unit 18. He's famous.
Are you going to the new Tim Cross movie tonight?
I don't know. It looks kind of boring.
Really? I think it looks quite interesting. Besides, Tim Cross is a famous actor.
He may be famous, but I don't think he's a very good actor. He always acts in the same sort of movie. He never does anything different.
Well, at least you think he's good-looking, right?
No, not really. He always looks so sleepy.
But most girls think he's handsome. Maybe that's why he is so famous.
None of my friends think he is good-looking at all. I used to like him a few years ago, but now I think he's not handsome at all.
Hey, I just got a haircut to try to look more like him.
Well, that explains why I don't like your new haircut.
Vocabulary.
Movie. Famous actor. Act. Different. Good-looking. Sleepy. Handsome. Haircut. Thank you and goodbye.